Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact Microsoft account that owns the subscription. Use your password and any two-step verification. Once done, verify the billing email and the payment method so you can identify the active charge. Then navigate directly to Services and Subscriptions. This is where you'll locate the specific product to cancel. Make sure you're on the account page for the correct country or region, because offers and cancellation options can differ. Next, find the exact subscription line. Names include Office, Xbox, Game Pass, or Azure, and click Manage next to it. You'll see options like Cancel, Turn off recurring billing, or Switch plan. Choose Cancel if you want to stop future charges immediately. If presented, read the consequences, whether you keep access until period end or lose it now. Make sure to select the reason if prompted. Microsoft sometimes offers credits or reminders instead of immediate termination. Finally, confirm the cancellation on every prompt and note the effective date so you know when access ends. Once complete, check your email for a cancellation receipt and any final billing details. Save that for records. If you want to prevent accidental renewals, remove saved payment methods or delete subscriptions from payment and billing. If you don't see cancel options or the subscription persists, contact Microsoft support with your account email and recent invoice. That fixes most stuck cancellations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.